For 2 weeks every summer, a suburban South London town becomes the epicenter of the world's greatest tennis tournament. Over 300,000 tennis lovers travel through the town centre on their way to the nearby All England Club grounds. This year, Barclays, the championship's official banking partner, appeared on Wimbledon's largest ever out-of-home display, a giant 450 square metre advertisement. It is viewed over 1 million times. But it was squash, not tennis, that made it possible. In 1982, Rowland Hill, a British engineer and avid squash player, invented a one-way vision window technology. The squash-court glass walls could now remain see-through for spectators, while appearing solid to the players inside. The technology, named Contra Vision, was soon enthusiastically adopted for advertising use. So, a combination of over 60 million perforated holes and a trick of the light means today we are able to showcase a world-class advertisement while those inside still get to enjoy the view out of their office window.